Hello and welcome to Fix Your Smile. Alright, let's talk about smart toothbrushes. You've seen the ads. Bluetooth pressure sensors, AI-powered brushing maps, all promising to save your teeth from cavities. But are these high-tech brushes really worth it? Or is it just another gadget hype? So first off, what actually makes a toothbrush smart? Most of them connect to an app on your phone, track how long you brush, track how well you brush, and give you feedback. Some even show you a map of your mouth, highlighting spots you missed. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the real question. Do any of these features actually help you prevent cavities? Let's look at the science. Studies show that brushing for 2 minutes, twice a day, with fluoride toothpaste is the gold standard for preventing cavities. Smart toothbrushes can help you stick to that routine, especially if you're the type to rush through brushing or forget certain areas. The app reminders and real-time feedback can be a game changer for people who need that extra push. But, and this is key, if you're already brushing well with a regular toothbrush, using good technique and seeing your dentist regularly, a smart toothbrush probably won't make a huge difference in your cavity risk. The tech is cool, but it can't replace flossing, a healthy diet, or regular dental checkups. That said, I've tested a few top models and honestly, the pressure sensors are pretty helpful. They let you know if you're brushing too hard, which is something a lot of people do without realizing it. Overbrushing can wear down enamel and actually cause more problems. So that's a legit win for the smart brush. Price is another factor. Some of these brushes cost upwards of $150, plus replacement heads. If you're on a budget, a regular electric toothbrush with a built-in timer can get you most of the benefits for less. So, do smart toothbrushes actually prevent cavities? They can help, especially if you need motivation or feedback. But they're not magic. Good brushing habits, floss, and regular dental visits are still the MVPs of oral health. Bottom line, if you love gadgets and want to level up your brushing game, go for it. But don't expect a smart toothbrush to do all the work for you. Your teeth still need you to show up every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.